guys, so this is the last slime we're going to be making. It's regular that we know makes great. It's regular, no run, school glue, and Gain.
It's okay. Gain works the same.
Okay. We can put kind of as much as we want for this because we already did it for school.
We did. We just need to save it for one more batch, but.
Because I want to make one more after this, so I'm not going to put that much.
Yeah, but that's fine. You can use as much as you want.
Okay. You want? This is kind of DIYs.
DIY.
Yeah, it's a DIY kind of.
DIY.
So you add Elmer's school glue and Gain, and if you mix it together, you will get this. Oh, and the clear glue did look really good. Okay, so once it gets to kind of like this, you can put it in your hand.
And start kneading it.
And you can start kneading it. If you have to, if it's like too wet or something, then you
Paper
can
towel.
dry it with a paper towel even. But if you are like a pro at making slime and know how to do this, comment down below, because I would love to know
Your tricks.
your tricks.
Layla, tell them how when you're kneading it, if it's too sticky, how you could put Gain on your hands to help your hands.
If it's too sticky, like kind of like this, you could put Gain on your hands
Before you pick it up.
Before you pick it up to help it. But if you're like this and you're feeling it that it's too sticky, then you can add Gain
Yeah, before you get a big mess all over the floor.
like this.
Yeah.